Welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? For today, I'll do a neighborhood walking tour. I'm going to take you to Singapore's most vibrant street, Haji Lane. Probably one of the best known landmarks here in Kampong Glam neighborhood. Haji Lane is considered to be the narrowest street in Singapore. What it lacks in size, this place definitely makes it up for being a hipster paradise. The place is full of independent shop houses, cool boutiques, funky cafes and bars, and all sorts of eateries. And let's not forget about the street art. No visit to Haji Lane is complete without a walk along this vibrant and quirky street. So let's not waste time and let's go! Besides the interesting shops and street art, Haji Lane is also a great gateway to get into the rich Malay culture. So, just so you know, Kampong Glam is a Muslim quarter here in Singapore. Here in Arab Street, you will see a number of textile and carpet shops in the area.